Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glady Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss with you how to create slanted wall in Revit, and I will discuss how we can create slanted wall in higher version of Revit and the lower version of Revit. So we will discuss each one. So now I'm going to create slanted wall in higher version of Revit from 2021 to 2023. You can create this wall very easily, and for lower version I will discuss after this. So I'm going to create a wall, and I will create a rectangular room here, a small rectangular room, and I'm going to give this a height here, suppose 10 feet, and I will create a small space here, and this is suppose a room. I'm going to create a floor architectural, and you can take this wood joist and ceramic tile, and I'm going to create a floor here. And now if I'm going to my 3D view, you can see this is our rectangular room, and I'm going to realistic, and you can see this is our floor. And now you can select any of this wall to create slanted wall. You can select all of them, and now I'm going to select this wall, and I will go to properties of this wall, and we'll go down here, and you can see this cross section definition. And cross section definition is that it is a vertical wall. So if you want to slanted, you can select slanted, and in the next video tutorial we discuss about tapered wall. So I'm going to select slanted here, and I'm going to apply, and after this it is asking angle from vertical. So you have to define what angle you want this wall. So I'm going to enter here 30-degree from vertical wall. So this is slanted to 30-degree, and if you will enter negative value here, it will be slanted outside. So likewise you can work in your design projects. So I'm going to give 15-degree here. So this is slanted 15-degree, and if you want to select all the wall, can do this for this wall also, and you can change the orientation here slanted, and you can define any angle, suppose 15 for this wall also, and you can taper this slant this to 15-degree. So likewise you can work here. And again, if you want to place a door and window here, how we can do this? So if I'm going to my door here, and I'm going to place a door here, can see door is a vertical and our wall is slanted, so it is placing vertical. So how you can do this, and I will tell you how you can place it in on the slanted wall. So again, I'm going to create a window here. So this is window, this is also vertical. So for this option you are required to select door, and you can see this option here, orientation. So this orientation option will be visible only for slanted wall in Revit, and for vertical wall you cannot see this option orientation. So you can see this orientation is vertical, so I'm going to change this from vertical to slanted, and I'm going to apply. So your door will be placed perfectly on your slanted wall, and again I'm going to select this window, and you will be see this orientation option here, and I'm going to change this to slanted, and this will be applied to this wall. Again, I'm going to place a door here for this vertical wall. What will happen if you select this door? You can this is slanted also. I am going to place a vertical wall here, and I'm going to place a door. And if you select this door, you cannot see this orientation option in vertical wall. So this will be visible only for slanted wall. And again, if you will place a window, you will not see this option orientation. So in higher version of Revit, this will be applicable only for slanted wall. So in higher version, it is easy to create slanted wall. And I'm going to discuss how we can create slanted wall in earlier version of Revit. So for that you are required to create a in place mask. So I'm going to my level 1, and I'm going to masking and site, and I will select this in place mask, and I will close this, and you can see this name of the mouse. So I'm going to name this as slanted wall here, and I'm going to create a simple shape here on level 1, and again I will go to level 2 here, and I will trace this. So I am going to create exactly length and width of this shape. And now if you go to your 3D view, you can see there are two shapes, identical shapes here. So I am going to select this, and I will press Ctrl and select another also, and I will go to this create form, and I will select this drop down arrow, and I will create solid form. And after solid form, you can select any of the line where you want your wall to be slanted. You can select that wall edge here, and you can drag this arrow to make it slanted here. If you want to push it inwards, you can select this to inwards. So likewise, you can create slanted wall in Revit. And now I'm going to finish this mask here, and I'm going to my architecture here, and I will go to wall by face. I will select this wall by face, and I'm going to apply a wall here. You can apply to any corner, or you can apply to single corner also. So your mask will be changed to building. So now if you want to place a door here, you can go to architecture here, and you can place a door here. But this door you cannot change to slant, because this is in vertical. In earlier version of Revit, this option was not available. So in higher version of Revit, you can slant the door and window very easily. And earlier version, you can create the slanted wall, but this placement of doors and windows is very difficult. So you can use this option here. And hope this you have liked this tutorial. In the next video tutorial, I will discuss with taper wall. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.